If you are ready to dive in and uncover what it takes to succeed, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the essential elements to contribute to entrepreneurial success. So, buckle up, grab your favorite snack because snacks make everything better, and let's explore what makes successful entrepreneurs. Let's get started. Curiosity. First on our entrepreneurial checklist is curiosity. You have heard the saying, curiosity kills the cat. In the business world, curiosity keeps the cat and the business very much alive. Entrepreneurs are like those kids who ask why a million times instead of driving you crazy, their questions drive innovation. Curiosity isn't just about asking questions, it's about questioning everything. Successful entrepreneurs are like detectives, constantly looking for new clues and insights. They don't settle for what they know, they are always hungry for more knowledge. Curiosity leads to exploration, much like baking a cake without a recipe. You don't just throw in random ingredients and hope for the best. You taste, adjust, and refine until you get it right. Entrepreneurs do same with their ideas. They conduct market research, run experiments, and iterate based on what they learn. It is a never-ending cycle of trial and error, but each mistake is a step towards finding the perfect recipe. Boldness. Next, let's talk about boldness. The guts to say yes
Yes,
we
we
can
can.
even when the odds seems against you. This isn't just about being brave, it's about being adaptable and open to new opportunities, even outside your comfort zone. Successful entrepreneurs don't just think outside the box.
Out of the box, Mark.
Take the story of a Brazilian entrepreneur who ran a business far outside his usual expertise. When the customer came to him with a request that were way out of his wheelhouse, he said, "Yes, we
Yes, we
can,"
can.
and figure out the details later. Whether it was a satellite technology or waste management, he didn't let a lack of experience stop him. He saw every challenge as an opportunity to grow and expand. This kind of boldness isn't about recklessness, it's about resourcefulness, and it's about looking a seemingly impossible task and saying challenge accepted. It's the willingness to drive headfirst into an unknown, learn new skill, and adapt to changing circumstances. Innovation. Innovation is the heartbeat of every successful business. It is not just about developing new products, it's about finding creative solutions to real problems. Think about Steve Jobs and the iPhone. Before the iPhone, we didn't even know we needed it, but now we can't imagine life without it. This is the power of innovation. Innovation isn't just for tech giants or silicon moguls, it's for anyone who can look at a problem and think there has to be a better way. Whether it's a new gadget, an improved service, or a more efficient process, innovation is about adding value. It's about making people's life easier, better, or more enjoyable. And here is a little secret. Innovation doesn't always have to be groundbreaking. Sometimes small tweaks make a big difference. It's like finding a more comfortable chair or a faster way of making payment. It might not change the world, but it can make someone's day a little brighter, and that's success in my eye. Marketing. Now let's dive into the magical world of marketing. Marketing is often misunderstood. Some people think it's all about flashy ads and catchy slogans, while others think it's about data and analysis. The truth is, it is both and more. Marketing is the art and science of getting people excited about your product or services and convincing them to choose yours over your competition. The art of marketing is all about emotions and aesthetics. It's about creating a brand that the people connect with personally. Think about your favorite brand. Why do you love them? Is it about their sleek design, funny commercials, or how they make you feel? This is the art of marketing, tapping into the human emotions and creating experience that resonates with the people. Conversely, marketing science is all about numbers, data, and strategy. It's about understanding your audience, analyzing their behavior, and figuring out what works and what doesn't. How many ads do you need to run before someone clicks? How many emails do you need to send before someone buys? The science of marketing seeks to answer these kind of questions. And here is the kicker. You need both the art and science to succeed. It's like baking a cake. You need the right ingredient, which is science, and creativity, which is art, to make it delicious. So remember to blend the arts and science. Whether you are designing a website, crafting a social media campaign, or writing a product description, make it visually appealing, emotionally engaging, and backed by solid data and strategy. Money management, a not so glamorous but crucial part of running a business. It's like the bone in your body. You don't see them, but they are holding everything together. You could have the best product and the most fancy marketing, but if you can't manage your money, you won't be in business for long. One of the biggest things new entrepreneurs need to improve is spending wisely. When times are good, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement and spend on fancy offices, expensive equipment, or extensive marketing campaigns. But smart entrepreneurs know that good times don't last forever. They save, they invest wisely, and always think ahead. My final thoughts, alright, let's wrap up with a little talk. Being an entrepreneur isn't just about making money, it's about creating something valuable, solving problems, and making a difference in the world. It's about courage to take risks, the resilience to bounce back from failure, and the passion to keep pushing forward. Successful entrepreneurs are curious, bold, innovative, and obsessed with their market. They blend the art and science in their marketing and also manage their money wisely. So go out there and make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. Getting there requires taking risks, adopting new strategies, and thinking outside the box. Successful entrepreneurs manage their money wisely and always keep an eye on the future. But most importantly, they are passionate about what they do. If you have an idea, a passion, or a burning desire to make a difference, go for it. The world needs more dreamers, doers, and creators. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey filled with ups and downs, twists and turns. But with the right mindset, a bit of courage, and a lot of hard work, you can achieve anything. If you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe, comment, and stay tuned for more insightful videos like this. Thank you.